Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on our gardening tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into the best summer vegetables you can grow right in your home or kitchen garden. Let's turn up the green vibes this summer. First up, the all-time favorite, tomatoes. These sun-loving veggies are perfect for summer. All you need is a sunny spot, a large container or grow bag, and regular watering. Bonus tip, add a little compost or banana peel for extra nutrients. Next up, we have cucumbers. They thrive in warm weather and grow super fast. Train them on a trellis to save space and enjoy crunchy, fresh cucumbers straight from your balcony or backyard, also known as bindi. In many parts of the world, okra is a heat-tolerant plant that does great in pots. Sow the seeds directly into the soil and keep them in full sunlight. You'll be harvesting in no time. Spice up your garden with green chilies. They grow well in containers and love the sun. Plus, the plant looks really pretty with tiny white flowers and green chilies popping out. Eggplants, also called brinjal, are perfect for sunny balconies. Just make sure the pot is deep enough and give them space to grow big and bushy. Beans are one of the easiest summer crops. They climb fast, grow fast, and don't need too much care. Just support them with sticks or a trellis, and you're good to go. Bottle gourd, or lauki, is a summer superstar. It grows as a vine, so give it a good trellis or balcony railing to climb. It loves heat, so summer is the perfect time. So there you have it, 7 amazing summer vegetables. You can grow easily at home. Whether you have a backyard, a balcony, or just a sunny window, these veggies are perfect for beginners and gardening lovers alike. Let your summer be fresh, green, and flavorful. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below which veggie you're planting first. Until next time, happy gardening!